everyone, it's Victoria here from Belvista Studios. Today I'm going to be talking you through one of our human-centered design activities. So you can see on the mind map here, we've actually got 10 different human-centered design activities. These have all been designed to help you apply human-centered design so that you can really understand and help your employees better. So this mind map and the activities are available to download on our Creator Hub, and the link for that is in the description below. So that comes with all of the activity instructions so that you can work through them at your own pace whenever you need them on your own. So for the video today, the activity I'm going to be focusing on is the employee prompt. Now, the employee prompt is more of a habit that we want you to form, and that habit is to consider your employees in your decision making. So it sounds simple enough, but it is something that you can sometimes forget to do when you get carried away with other goals and things going on. So this prompt, this habit, is just that when you make decisions, we want you to ask yourself, how will this decision impact our employees? That's the first part. Now, the second part is thinking, if it is going to impact them negatively, is there a different way you can do it, or is there a better way you can do it? And try and make improvements around that so that you're not negatively impacting your employees. So there you have it. That's the one habit we want you to start applying today. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it's added value to you. As I mentioned, this prompt, this activity, this mind map is available on our Creator Hub. The link is below, so jump on there and check it out.